Prep Test 70, Logic Game 3, question 16 asks us, if R is shown sometime before W, which of the following must be true? So let's bring up our master diagram. And if R is before W, well, that limits us significantly because we already know that W has to go before H. So W cannot go in the 9th spot. But if W goes in the 7th spot, then there's no way that R could screen before it. Therefore, W must be right here at 8 o'clock. R must be at 7 o'clock. And the only place it could do that is over here in screen 1. And we have the remaining pieces to fill in, which are H, M, and S. We know H and M can't go together. So one of them must go over here with R. And in the other screen, we have S and the other of H and M. So, which of the following must be true? H is in screen 1. Well, it looks like we could put H in screen 2 over here, because we could select M right here and then have S and H playing over there. So it doesn't look like that has to be true. M is at 7 p.m. M doesn't have to be at 7 p.m. because we just discussed how we could pick M at 9. M has to be in screen 2. Nope, we could put M in screen 1. S must be at 9 p.m. Nope, not at all. We could put S up here at 7 and H down here at 9. And S must be in screen 2. Absolutely, because screens 1 and screen 3 are already booked with other movies. S must be in screen 2, and this is the correct answer.